Okay, so I'm going to do a short video explaining the answer to this problem and writing out my work. So the first thing we're going to do is read the problem, and as I read, I'm going to highlight important information. So the question says, what is the equation and answer for this? Okay. So Samuel is saving to buy a watch that costs $169. This is 48 more than 4 times what he saved last month. How much did he save last month? Okay, so we need to write the equation and the show your work part. All right, so we're trying to figure out how much did he save last month. That's our unknown. That's our variable. So I'm going to call that X. Okay, so we know that the watch costs $169. I'm going to write that down. This is, so whenever we see is in algebra, is means equals. So 169 equals 48 more than 4 times what he saved last month. Okay, so let's break this down. 48 more than. So more than means plus. So 48 more than plus 4 times what he saved last month. So we know that this is 4 and what he saved last month, which is our unknown, which is what we're trying to solve for, is X. Okay, so we look pretty good. We know the watch is 169 and this is, remember, is equals 48 more than plus 4 times what he saved last month. So we built our equation and now all we have to do is solve. So to solve for X, we want to put the numbers together first. So that means I'm going to subtract 48 on both sides. Okay, and get rid of that. So 169 minus 48 should be 121 equals 4X. Okay, to solve for X, I'm going to divide by 4. 121 divided by 4. Did the figuring already, and I got X equals $30.25. Okay, so that looks pretty good, but remember in algebra, you can always check your work just to make sure. Oops. So if I think about it, go back to the problem. So if I plug in 3025 for X, just to make sure it balances out and makes sense. If I say that 48 plus 4 times 3025, does that equal 169? And if you do the figuring on your calculators, which I'm going to do really quickly right now. So let's do order of operations first. 4 plus 4 times 3025. So this is 121 plus 48. Looks pretty good. 169 equals 169, so we're in good shape. Okay, well, that's that, and good luck with your other problems.